Welcome to Adorable Corner, where sensible reigns. It is our promise to keep you informed and entertained with all that makes sense. Do subscribe to this channel and like our videos always.
Do you need to use Smart Voice on your Android phone and you don't have a computer? Many don't know that it is possible for you to get the Smart Voice application completely set up without using a PC. I have received so many questions about this. Today I have decided to answer it with a tutorial. I'm not going to be using any computer to install Smart Voice on the Android phone I have here with me. And as I'm going to do it, I trust you are going to learn how to do it on your own. So, let's learn how you can set up your Smart Voice with the vocalizer voices without the use of a computer independently. You don't need a sighted help to do this, and you're going to get your Smart Voice up and running. You all know that the Smart Voice is always in a zip folder. So for you to do this successfully, you need a software or an application that can extract the package for you. And one application I can recommend is WinRAR. If you do not have the pro version of the app, you can purchase it, or just read the description of this video. I'm going to give you the application for free. But you can even go to the Play Store and get the free version, and you are just still going to be able to do what I'm about to demonstrate even with the free version. But it's always good when you go pro, like me. So without any delay, let's get down to installing Smart Voice on your Android phone without the use of a PC.
Device unlocked. Apps.
If you listen
Double tap
well,
to activate, double tap and hold to
this is Google TTS. That's to tell you that I have no Smart Voice installed on this phone. I'm going to start the process from the beginning, and we're going to witness how it will be done. So let me access my file manager
apps.
so that I can get to
Apps.
where I have
Editing.
the
Search
package.
apps. Capital G. Capital F. I. Fingerprint. File manager.
Please pay
File
attention.
manager. Enter password. Type home button. Music. File manager. Selected categories. Press select tab.
So I'm going to try to locate my internal memory. It differs on phone. It differs, and you have to know how you go to your file manager
Volume
on
control.
your own phone. But this is how I do it on my own Infinix Hot 5 phone.
All files. All files. Selected.
I click on all files, then look for internal
Menu
memory.
Button. Home button. Button. Internal storage available for.
Okay, this is my internal storage, and let me locate the folder where I have the package.
Bookstore
I go to Mega,
Evo, the 20. Music, the 20. Notifications, the 26th of March. Movies, the Mega, the 10th of.
Then from Mega to Mega Download.
Category. Mid. Home. Insert. Mega button. Mega button. Mega downloads the 20th of December 29th.
Good. This is
Blindhelp.net.
Mega Download. And
Blindhelp.net smart underscore voice underscore 2.8.0.zip size 45.
good. It's a zip file, so I'm going to try to open it right away.
Open with RAR. Just once button.
Alright, let's open it.
Always button. Just once
I'll
button.
click on just once.
RAR. Open navigation panel button.
Okay,
Double tap
so
to
I
activate.
have the package opened, and let's see what we
RAR.
have here.
Extract. Delete file. More options. Zip up one level. 45.2 megabytes. 58.6 megabytes. In list 4 items.
So this is the zip
Double
folder,
tap to activate. Double tap.
and
Not
in
checked.
it
Checkbox.
we have
Vocalizer X, the 4th of December, 16:10:46 p.m.
Vocalizers,
Not checked. Checkbox. Blindhelp.net Smart Voice minus 2.8.0.apk 13.7 megabytes. October 31st,
and
17:7:28
this is
p.m.
the Smart Voice
Double tap to activate.
APK.
Double tap and hold to long press.
That's the one with the Russian voice.
Not checked. Checkbox. How to configure smartvoice.txt 300.
Alright, this is a test file telling you how you can configure it.
Not checked. Checkbox. Blindhelp.net smart underscore voice underscore 2.
So this is what we have in here. Because you want to use the vocalizer voices, what you need to do right now is to extract this vocalizers folder out of this zip file. And this is why you need your computer. But I'm going to show you how you can do it without using any computer.
Screen off.
So let's go to
1:48 a.m.
the vocalizers and
Not checked.
learn how
How
to
to
do it with
not
your
checked.
phone.
Check. Blindhelp.net. Not checked. Check. Vocalizer X, the 4th of December, 16:10:46 p.m. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold.
This is vocalizers.
Not checked. Vocalizer X, the 4th of December, 6.
Now what you're going to do is to double tap and hold on this folder. Let's try it.
Vocalizer X, the 4th of December, 16:10:46 p.m.
Good. Once you hear that
Extract.
pop up,
Blindhelp.net smart underscore voice underscore
then
2.8.0.
swipe
In list
to
7
the
items.
left.
Rename. Delete. Paste disabled. Copy to clipboard.
Copy
Double
to
tap to
clipboard. So you're going to click here.
RAR.
Good. That folder has been copied to your clipboard. You cannot see it. All you need to do is to look for where you can paste it. Now, previously, before now, you need to go to your computer, connect your phone to USB, copy these vocalizers, paste it on your phone memory. But right now, with the latest technology, you can actually do it without your PC. Now, this folder has been copied to
Screen
clipboard,
off.
so I'm going to show you how you can paste it on
1:49
your
a.m.
phone memory. Still using WinRAR.
Not checked. Checkbox.
Just keep
Vocalizer X.
swiping.
Not checked. Check. Zip up one level. 45.2 megabytes. 58.6.
Once you get to where you hear this zip up one level, you are going to click it.
SD card up one level. 4.13 gigabytes. 9.65 gigabytes.
Now,
Not checked.
what you can hear now,
Not checked. Checkbox. Blindhelp.net smart underscore voice not checked. Check. SD card up one level. 4.13 gigabytes. 9.65. Not checked. Blindhelp.net smart underscore voice underscore 2.8.0 dots. Not checked. Checkbox. Smart voice minus 3 point. Not. SD card up one level. 4.13 gigabytes. 9.65 gigabytes.
alright, you're going to click
Double
it
tap to
again.
act. SD card up one level. 4.13 gigabytes. Not checked.
Let's
Checkbox.
swipe.
Mega downloads December 20th, 19:11:56
As you
p.m.
can see, you are still
Double
within
tap to activate.
the
Double
environment
check,
of
check.
the Mega
SD card
folder.
up one level.
So
4.13
click
gigabytes.
this SD card
9.65
again,
gigabytes.
the up one level.
Extracted AppX November 26, 19:13 a.m.
Let's see.
Not checked. Checkbox. Evo November 28th. Not checked. Extracted. Not checked. Check. Not checked.
Let's check the up one
Not
level
checked.
button. Let's
Not-
check what is there right
Not
now.
checked. PCI. Open
Okay, let me
navigation.
make it
RAR.
faster.
Remove. Paste. November 28th, night. Not checked. Checkbox. Not checked. Check. Not checked. Not checked. Check. Not checked. Checkbox. One video show. Not checked. Dot X. Dot. That's not checked. The 12th. Not. Transient. March. Not. Thumbnails. Not. Dot. Not. System underscore. Not. Dot. Ship. Not. Dot. Not. Dot. Met. Not checked. Dot. Get. Not checked. Not checked. Checkbox. CC. The 12th. Not checked. Point 1 video show. Not checked. SD card. Up 1 level. 4.13 gigabytes. 9.65 gigabytes.
Good.
Double tap to activate.
So
double
right
tap
now
and
you
hold
are
to long
now
press.
back to your phone memory.
Message access.
And if you
Not
swipe,
checked.
you
Checkbox.
see that you have
Double tap to toggle.
folders in
Double
your
tap.
phone memory here.
Point 1. Not
Once
checked.
you hear-
SD card. Up 1 level. 4.13 gigabytes. 9.65 gigabytes.
You can see, so
Double
it's
tap to
telling
activate.
me
Double tap and hold to long
the
press.
total space of my phone memory, and it's also telling me the
Not
available
checked.
space.
SD card.
Let's
Up
see.
1 level. 4.13 gigabytes. 9.65 gigabytes.
Good. So
Double tap to
we are going
activate.
to
Double
now
tap and hold to
paste
long press.
here. This is how to do it. Just swipe from right to left.
Paste. Remove. Paste.
Paste.
Blindhelp.net smart underscore voice underscore 2.8.0.zip. Book. SD. Paste. Blind.
Let's see.
Extract files. Extracting from blindhelp.net smart underscore voice underscore 2.8.0.zip. Extracting. RAR. Extract files. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Delete files and folders. More options button. Telegram, the 8th of November. Not checked. Checkbox. Transient, March 20.
Let's see if we have it pasted here.
Voiceover underscore file 8. Not checked. Checkbox. WhatsApp, November 25th. Not checked. Voiceover underscore. Not checked. Voiceover sounds. This. Not checked. Voice Jangerway, April. Not checked. Vocalizer X, December 21st, 152 a.m.
You can see we have
Double tap to activate,
vocalizers
double tap and hold to long
on
press.
the phone memory already. Alright? Without any PC, we've been able to achieve this. Okay? So,
Not checked. Checkbox.
all you now need to do
Double
after
tap to toggle. Double
you
tap
have
and hold to long
ensured that
press.
this has been pasted, just press the back button.
Back button. Out. Dot. Magical. Not checked. Checkbox. Dot. MG. Back
Press
button.
it again. And go back to the mega
SD.
download.
More options button.
Let's see
Not
if
checked.
we're there.
Blind help. Back button. Out of list. Smart voice mine. Back button.
Let's go back a bit.
Not checked. Checkbox. Double. Back button. Enter password.
Good.
iPhone button.
So I'm back
File manager.
to my file manager.
Blindhelp.net smart underscore button. Out of list.
Now this is the
Blindhelp.net smart underscore voice underscore 2.8.0.zip. Size 45.19 megabytes. In list 2
so I'm
items.
going to open it with WinRAR again.
Smart voice minus. Blindhelp.net smart underscore voice underscore 2.8.0. Open with RAR. Just once button.
Just once.
RAR. Open navigation. RAR.
Then I'll keep swiping right.
Vocalizer X, the 4th of this. Not checked. Check.
We're installing
not
the
checked.
APK.
Checkbox. Blindhelp.net smart voice minus 2.8.0.apk. 13.7
That's
megabytes.
APK. Click on it.
Open with package installer. Just once button.
Just once.
Package installer. Smart voice. Do you want to install this application? Read the cancel. Install button. Package installer. Smart voice.
Okay, let's watch it.
Installing.
It's installing.
Smart voice. Alert delete installation pack.
No.
Deleted. Blind help. Checked checkbox. No button. Package installer. App installed. Done button.
So you click on
Double-
done.
RAR. Open navigation
Good. So I'm
panel.
going to close
Back button.
everything and go back to my
File
home
man.
screen.
Back button. Back button. Back button. Back button. Home screen 1 of 1. Google Apps.
Alright, I'm back to my home screen. The next thing, I'll go to my text-to-speech settings.
Camera.
Let's go.
Global contact. Screen. Pause. Talkback set. Text-to-speech set. Home screen
And
1 of
let's
1.
see what we have here.
Text. Checked Google. Launch engines. Not checked. ETI Eloquence TT. Launch engines. Not checked. Smart voice radio button.
You can see
Double
Smart
tap to
Voice
toggle.
has been included, so let's check it.
Attention. Okay, but text to speech settings.
Check. Smart voice. Radio button. In list. 11 items.
This
Using
is
smart voice.
Smart
Double tap.
Voice. And you will agree with me that this is Samantha. Right now,
Launch engine
the
settings.
Smart
Button.
Voice is working
Double tap to activate.
on this phone. And I have not used any laptop. I've not even connected my phone with any USB to copy and paste anything. I have done everything independently with my screen reader without any sighted help. And right now you have Smart Voice up and running. You can do same, just follow this tutorial
Screen off.
and you'll be able to do it
1:57
by
a.m.
yourself. So go right ahead and use your Smart Voice on your phone without having to look for a PC or without going through the hassle of copying and pasting with your USB
Reset speech pitch.
cable,
Reset the pitch at which the text is
and
spoken.
just continue to be good. Alright? I want to be rest assured that you enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, just like this video and tell your friend to subscribe to our channel. If you have not subscribed to and you are currently listening, please
Reset speech rate.
subscribe to our channel, as this will continue to encourage us to do more. I'll be back, you can trust me, with interesting discovery as far as accessibility is concerned with technology. Till then, cheers. Thank you for your precious time watching and listening. We value your comment on our videos. For questions and concerns, please call +234 806160 9134 or send a mail to emmanueljunaidh@gmail.com. EMANUELJUNAIDH@gmail.com. Catch you on the next video. Cheers.